In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create ad groups in Google Ads. We'll go step by step so that by the end, you'll feel confident creating well-structured ad groups that support your campaign goals. Ad groups are an essential part of organizing your ads and keywords, and getting this set up right helps Google deliver your ads to the right audience. To begin, head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is the main dashboard where all your advertising tools and settings are located. Click the Sign In button at the top and log in with your Google account. If you're new to Google Ads, you'll be guided through setting up an account, which is simple and quick. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Ads home screen. From here, look at the menu on the left and click on Campaigns. This is where you manage everything related to your active and paused campaigns, including budgets, performance, and targeting. After selecting your campaign, you'll see the option for ad groups. Click on it to open the ad group dashboard. If this is your first time creating one, the page will appear empty, ready for your new setup. Now it's time to create your ad group. Look for the button labeled Create Ad Group and click it. A setup form will appear, and this is where you'll start building the structure of your group. Begin by choosing a clear and descriptive name for your ad group. A good name makes it easier to stay organized, especially when managing multiple ad groups within the same campaign. Next, move on to the keyword section. Keywords tell Google when your ads should show, so it's important to choose terms that match what your ideal customers are searching for. Think about the specific service, product, or topic your ad group focuses on. Grouping related keywords together improves ad relevance and can lead to better performance. Avoid mixing unrelated keywords in the same ad group because doing so can confuse Google's targeting and weaken your results. As you continue, make sure the theme of your ad group stays consistent. If you offer multiple products, consider creating separate ad groups for each one. This allows you to write more accurate ads and use more precise keywords, which helps increase click-through rates and improve your quality score. After filling in all the required fields, take a moment to review everything. Double-check your ad group name, look through your keyword list, and make sure everything aligns with the goal of your campaign. A quick review helps avoid simple mistakes that could affect performance later on. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Save or Continue. Your new ad group is now created and ready for ads to be added. From here, you can begin writing your ad copy and fine-tuning your keyword targeting. Congratulations! You've successfully created an ad group in Google Ads. With organized ad groups and relevant keywords, you'll be able to reach the right audience more effectively. Keep experimenting, testing, and refining your setup because strong results come from consistent optimization. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.